Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards. Describe a complaint that you made, and you were satisfied with the result. You should say, when it happened. Who you complained to. What did you complain about? Why were you satisfied with the result? When I placed an internet order for a smartphone last year, I complained and was happy with the outcome. I was surprised to discover that the phone within the shipment was the incorrect model, even though I had been excitedly awaiting its coming. I paid for the most recent model, but instead I received an older one with less features. I made the decision to act right away because I had invested a substantial sum of money in the acquisition. I got in touch with the customer service department of the online store where I had placed the purchase. I first called them to explain the problem, but they insisted on seeing proof, so I snapped crisp photos of the phone and the invoice and emailed them to them. The support staff promised to look into the issue and provide a solution in a few days. I was a little concerned at first because I had heard of others having trouble returning items, but I maintained my composure and continued to follow up. Thankfully, the business recognized their error and set up a replacement within 3 days. After a delivery person arrived to my house and picked up the wrong phone, I got the right model that I had initially bought in 2 more days. Due to the company's prompt response and acceptance of responsibility for their blunder, I was quite pleased with the outcome. They also made me feel valued as a customer by giving me a modest discount coupon for my future purchase as a goodwill gesture. I learned from this experience how important it is to speak up when anything goes wrong. I would have been stuck with the incorrect merchandise if I had ignored the problem. Seeing that trustworthy businesses take customer satisfaction seriously also helped me to regain faith in internet buying. All things considered, I was happy with how easy the process went and it given me the confidence I needed to deal with similar circumstances in the future. For watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.